Now I request Professor A.R. Patil sir, convener of this conference, to introduce today's chief guest and today's president for the inaugural function.
Namaskar. Respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, faculty, staff, and my dear student friends. It is my pleasure to welcome all the participants today for two-day International Conference on Smart Materials for Sustainable Development, Energy and Environmental Applications, organized by Department of Physics, Chemistry and Electronics in the Karmavir Bhaurao Patil Mahavidyalaya, Pandharpur. I am Professor A.R. Patil, Head Department of Electronics of this college. It gives me great pleasure to introduce the chief guest, Honorable Professor Dr. M.M. Salunkhe and President Honorable Professor Dr. S.H. Pawar on this inaugural function. Professor Dr. Manikrao Madhavrao Salunkhe is presently Vice Chancellor of Bharati Vidyapith Deemed University, Pune. He is former President of Association of Indian Universities, AIU, from 1st July 2019. Dr. Salunkhe, born in 1955, obtained his doctoral degree in organic chemistry in 1979 from Shivaji University, Kolhapur. He joined the university as a lecturer in 1980 and was reader in organic chemistry from 1989 to 1995. Dr. Salunkhe was selected as a professor of organic chemistry in 1995 at the prestigious Institute of Science, formerly it is known as the Royal Institute of Science, Bombay. Here he later became Head Department of Chemistry and then Director. During his tenure at the Institute, he could get research grants of over ₹15 million from various funding agencies such as CSIR, DAE, DBT, UGC, etc. Under his dynamic and visionary leadership, the Institute established itself as one of the highly acclaimed centers in India and advanced studies and research in science. He worked as Vice Chancellor of Shivaji University, Kolhapur from June 2004 to March 2009. During his tenure as Vice Chancellor in Shivaji University, he undertook a number of reforms in university administration and academics. He served as the first Vice Chancellor of the Central University of Rajasthan from 2009 to 2014 and established a new university with strong academic foundation. He worked as Vice Chancellor of Yeshwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, Nashik from August 2014 to August 2016. He worked on several committees of UGC, NAC, AICTE, etc. The research interests of Dr. Salunkhe include areas of polymeric reagents, nucleoids, ionic liquids, in which he has made important contributions. He has more than 150 research publications plus one patent to his credit, most of them being in international journals of high impact factors. He has guided 41 research students for their doctoral degrees and has participated in more than 40 national and 10 international conferences. He has a postdoctoral research experience of having worked at Weizmann Institute of Science, Israel, Institute of Organic Chemistry, University of Vienna, Austria, Northwestern University, USA, and Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He has visited, delivered, invited lectures, attended conferences, and chaired scientific chaired scientific sessions in several countries including UK, USA, Israel, West Germany, Japan, Czechoslovakia, Australia, etc. His academic contributions distinctions include honors like Fellow of Royal Society of Chemistry, UK, Member of American Chemical Society, Member of Indian Chemical Society, Maharashtra Academy of Science, Bioorganic Society of India, International Society of Nucleosides and Nucleic Acids. For his meritorious contributions, he has received Best Teacher Award of the Government of Maharashtra, among others. We are really thankful to Honorable Dr. Salunkhe sir for taking the time out of his busy schedule to attend the function. Once again, I thanks for Dr. Salunkhe sir. एका गोष्टीचा उल्लेख जाता जाता राहून गेला, त्या गोष्टीचा उल्लेख मी या ठिकाणी करेन. डॉक्टर साळुंखे सरांचं एक नुकतंच पुस्तक प्रकाशित झालेलं आहे मराठीमध्ये. 5 विद्यापीठांचे कुलगुरू भूषवलेले ज्ञानयात्री विद्येच्या प्रांगणात या नावाचं हे पुस्तक आहे. डॉक्टर माणिकराव साळुंखे यांचे ते आत्मकथन आहे आणि हे आत्मकथन नुकतेच खासदार श्रीनिवास पाटील व नॅकचे डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर भूषण पटवर्धन यांच्या हस्ते त्याचं प्रकाशन नुकतंच झालेलं आहे. मी सरांचं महाविद्यालयाच्या वतीनं संस्थेच्या वतीनं परत एकदा अभिनंदन करतो. नाउ आय इंट्रोड्यूस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ दिस फंक्शन, Honorable Dr. S.H. Pawar. He is presently the President of Center for Innovative Applied Research at Baramati. He is a former Vice Chancellor of the D.Y. Patil University, Kolhapur. He is a Professor and Head at the Department of Physics, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. सर, मला तुमचा अभिमान आहे. मी तुमचा विद्यार्थी 1984 ते 86च्या काळामध्ये राहिलेलो आहे. सर, विद्यापीठामध्ये त्यावेळेचे जे संबंधित कुलगुरू होते त्यानंतर आम्हाला माहिती असणारे किंवा त्यावेळेच्या विद्यापीठांना माहिती असणारे दुसरं नाव म्हणजे डॉक्टर S.H. पवार यांचं असायचं. सरांचं मी परत एकदा अभिनंदन करतो. He has worked as a registrar of Shivaji University and director of BCUD at Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Dr. S.H. Pawar has guided for 75 PhD students and 900 research papers are published in national and international journals. He has got a Best Teacher Award of the Shivaji University, Kolhapur. More than 25 countries including USA, UK, he has visited to the number of countries. We are really thankful to him for taking the time out of his busy schedule to attend this function. Once again, I thank you, Honorable Dr. S.H. Pawar. Once again, I have to welcome to all the participants coming from the Maharashtra and out of Maharashtra. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir. Now it's time for the felicitation. It is our great pride and honor to felicitate 2 eminent personalities from the educational field. I request Principal Dr. C.J. Khilare sir to felicitate Honorable Professor Dr. M.M. Salunkhe sir, Chief Guest for the inaugural function. Now I request him to felicitate Honorable Professor Dr. S.H. Pawar sir, President for the inaugural function. principal sir to felicitate Professor Dr. Nishant Deshpande sir from IIT Surat. I request our principal sir to felicitate Mrs. Salunkhe ma'am. I also request to felicitate Professor Dr. M.T. Basute sir. I request Dr. B.B. Shitole sir to please felicitate our principal sir. Now it's time for the publication of the souvenir for the International Conference on Smart Materials for Sustainable Development, Energy and Environmental Applications, jointly organized by the Department of Physics, Chemistry and Electronics, Karmavir Bhaurao Patil Mahavidyalaya, Pandharpur. Thank you to all the dignitaries.